Hello, 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 hello. So, I'm here to do my hot and spicy noodle challenge. Let's get this here out of the way. So what I've done is I boiled some water and then stuck the bottom of it to my damn tablecloth. That was good. Fail there. Don't stick it to the tablecloth. So, I don't have a microwave. Tossed that out long ago because I think they're bad for you. So what I'm going to do is just fill this with water like it says. This is back on the stove. I don't know what. Look at that. I should have known. Durr. Holy moly, hope I didn't ruin my coffee pot. Oh well, if I did, I did. And we're on, so I'm glad. Anyway, to get ready for this noodle challenge, I don't think they're that hot and spicy. Oh, I'm supposed to put the lid on. But anyway, it comes with the lid that you put on after that. Hopefully it won't spill this or anything. God, I didn't bring scissors. They open easily. So anyway, you open the contents of this packet, which is the noodles, not the noodle, but the spice, not the spices, the veggies and the chicken, the dried chicken. Looks like a lot of corn and some peppers and stuff. Oh, I got my awesome chopsticks. Thank you, Sabrina. I love them. I just really love these. These are awesome. I'm going to be able to use them for soup. The soup part. So that'll be fun. Anyways. Ooh, let's not stir. Let's not drop it. So anyway, stir it around very carefully not to knock it off here. Alright, caramba. What the heck am I doing here? Alright. Then you add this packet, which I think is, I had to say was going to be easy to open, and of course it's not. Scissors. There they are. Okay, scissors. Yay! So anyway, cut the top of this thing off. Discard. Oh wow, that looked awfully red. Whew, it's all red. Really red. Goodness sakes. So, anyway, this part of this is cooking it. Stir it up good. Put this lid on here. So that it will do its little bit of cooking. Get rid of this. So, I'm kind of a chicken, so what I'm going to do, actually I'd like to review this first. Oh, I'm getting ready, so I got my bread, which is a hot dog bun, which if I don't eat it, it's going to the chickens. So that will rest right there. I got some milk, a little grease up there, water, nice water. I do not have any ice cream or like products. I bought an ice case. I just need to. I don't think I will, but we shall see. I don't underestimate anything until I taste it or do it. So I think it takes a couple minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to taste it with just the noodles and the spices that I just put in there, and then this is the hot packet, and I'm going to taste this after I get a good taste of this to see just how it tastes. I think this takes like 2 minutes. We're almost at the 420 spot. So, hope you all have an awesome day. I'm doing this, I was going to do this noodle challenge, but my friend Sabrina did the one for the nuclear ones, and I don't want anybody doing those. Those are too hot. Too much pain. I don't like to see pain. Goodness sakes. I was just thinking a little hot. I wasn't thinking extreme. But anyway, I think these are supposed to be a little hot. They're like 1 on the 3 pepper scale. Shall see. I'm not really good with hot stuff, and especially if it tastes chemically hot. I'm going to need the scissors for this packet, I'm sure. I'm not going to want to open it with my mouth. So I'm going to try it. If I chicken out, I'll just taste a little bit of the hot stuff and not a lot, so I'm not like dying. I want to taste it first with the noodles. See how that tastes. If I'm not on fire. Then I'll taste some of the soup part with the spoon that I got. Oh yes, look at this. Is that not cool or what? Is that too cool? Look at that. What a nice set she sent me. I just love them. It has a little fork in case I can't use the other. And it has the spoon, which I'm going to use today. My noodle challenge. So, I wonder how they're doing. Well, they look like they're getting cooked. The corn looks fatter than it did. They smell like ramen noodles. Ramen noodles. Ramen. Did y'all know that there's a religion based on spaghetti? They're Pastafarians. I ain't shitting you. Done a lot of religious research in my search for religion. And the Pastafarians are one of the strangest, coolest ones. Most, maybe I might join religions than all the other ones that I really don't like. Sorry. Yep, they're Pastafarians. They believe in this. What is it? The flying spaghetti monster is their symbol that they worship. They believe in familyness and togetherness and eating together. What better mukbang religion to have right there? Pastafari and ramen. That's what they say in their religion. Ramen. So anyways, I'm not kidding either. Look it up on Google. Google the spaghetti monster. I think it's kind of a cool religion. They dress up in pirate outfits. So it's kind of cool because they're fixing to do a pirate collab. Kind of pirate collab. More like a Halloween costume mukbang collab, which you can be any kind of video, that's fine. Regular videos, home videos, any kind. Anybody can join, everybody can join. Alright, so I think it's been at least 2 minutes. And they look pretty hot. Stir them around. They smell pretty hot. Okay, well, I'm new at using these, so bear with me. I don't know how I'm going to do on noodles. There's one noodle. See if I can do this. Might be a different technique for noodles. Hold them down further. The other day I was kind of I don't know which position to hold these in for this. Let me try. Now I did practice with chips the other day. It seemed like it was easy. And now I'm having a rough time of it. I might have to go to the American fork. Not really hot. This tastes kind of good. Let me try the soup part. Pretty good. Actually pretty good. I'm going to go with the American fork. Gives a little better taste. And the noodles are pretty good. Not a bad bowl of soup. On a cold day, rating this next to the ramen noodles. Why do I call them ramen? Ramen noodles. I'd say these are about a 7 probably compared to the ramens. Ramens aren't bad. They do sometimes. No bread or anything necessary. I think I hear a car coming up my driveway. I gotta go look. I got visitors I need to know. I'll be right back. Oh, sorry. I don't see nobody. So they're not too hot. I'm going to keep trying my go fork. My chopsticks, because I don't want to give up on something. I hate giving up on stuff. Let's see if we get this mastered. I had it down the other day. I still figure it out here. One lays down and the other, there we go. They are slippery stuff. There we go. Anyway, that's that way. Next is this bun over here. Try this packet, which is what makes it hot. And to do that, what we need to do is move the spoon out and use the fork to get some of these noodles out of here and onto the plate. And since if I don't eat this, I don't want to waste it and give it to the kiddies when it cools down, because this isn't spicy at all there. I think it's this packet of hot sauce that's going to really do it. Oh goodness, 11 minutes already. So anyways, just going to mix this up on the tray. It looks pretty dang hot. Smells good though. So here goes the hot stuff. Doesn't want to come out of the packet. Sit this somewhere where the dogs can't get it. Okay. I guess it's made to go in the soup so it doesn't mix up as good. It's not. I don't know. It's kind of clumpy. It's not like saucy. Probably needs a little bit of this. Doesn't look as brown as some of the other ones looked. Smells good. Let's get it mixed in here. I'm not sure if we have to pay for this or not. This is a smaller amount of noodles. I'm scared. Not too scared, but I am a little scared the way that pepper packet looks. Let's see. Let me see if I can master these chopsticks enough to get a bite or two. Ooh. I'm going to give it a minute because I know sometimes it takes a minute. They're a little bit spicy at first there. Not too spicy. Not too spicy so far. A little spice. Got a little burn. Not much. A little. If I can master another bite here. Those remind me of thin spaghetti. I love thin spaghetti. A little hot. No, I kind of like the hotness of these. Not bad. It doesn't taste kind of chemically or anything yet. My nose is running a little now. Sorry for that information. Alright, not coordinated with these chopsticks this morning. Coordinate! Alright, I had this the other day when I was doing the chips. So now I'm not going to eat the bread. I think if it was in the liquid, it wouldn't even be as hot. I think it's kind of tastier with the hot sauce on there. The hot packet. And if I was going to do this, I definitely would take it out, put it on the tray, and mix it all with the hot sauce. And not in the thing, because then there wouldn't be enough. Not be hot enough. So these are the mild, these are like the kindergarten noodles. I mean for kindergartners, I mean like beginners. A little hot. Not too bad though. Nice little milk. I think they're actually pretty good. I rate them about 8 on Korean noodles, I guess, if they're Korean or whatever they are. And I love my chopsticks. Come on now. One more bite or two. Make this work. They're not one to cooperate today. I got a little piece. Oh, chicken. No. I'll do it the American Chinese way. Push it on the fork. If I can even coordinate. Oops, they're burning a little. That was good though. That was pretty good. Nose is running a little. Whew, a little hot. Milk mustache. And the nose run just a little. Not too hot. If I was going to make it a big challenge, I'd have to definitely add a bunch of hot sauce to it. And Tabasco sauce, which was Nikki was adding this one. Ooh, that stuff's hot. I know that. Hot sauce I have ain't even that hot. That hot. But this is really, I think this is pretty good. I'd recommend it. I'd say probably 8 for the hot and spicy. And it's the pepper one, so. Anyway, thank you for joining my challenge, my celebration of my 100th subscriber. And my little collab challenge that we're doing here with Nikki. And Southern Smash Mukbang and Brighton Vlogs And I think a couple other people might have joined us, but I'm not sure. So when they do, we'll announce them too. Add the links. Anyways, that was good. Oh, excuse me. I actually liked it. Actually, there should have been this should have been about 4 times bigger, more, because that would have been really good. Because it would have covered it more saucy. Lips are burning a little bit, but not much. And I hope y'all have an awesome day. And there's so many tags up here, I can't see the dang off button. Peace, love, and happiness. Pastafari. Amen.